How to get Vavada promo codes in 2025. And first things first is open up any web browser that you want to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then let's just head to our search box right here. Now from your search box, we will be using a third-party website. So the site is going to be cheapy.com. So this official site is providing casino games online and will be providing you certain amount of promotional codes that you can use. But take note, you'll have to double check on the codes that you are going to be using on these platforms right here if the code is already expired or is not. So all you have to do next is go to this magnifying glass right here, which is the search bar, and type in Vavada. Click on bonuses, and you will now then be redirected to page. The site is giving you out a specific code. So 100% plus 25 FS first deposit bonus at Vavada Casino. You can use this bonus code right here. If you scroll down, there is gonna be another code that you can use. So that's it. That's how you find a promo codes on Vavada in 2025.